Hi folks!
Hi everybody!
Right, we're ready?
Hi to all the biker friends out there. Is it on?
Yes!
Oh well, woo!
Hello!
Yeah, biker friends are the best.
Way!
Yeah.
Get your tits out.
You're on YouTube!
Me again. Again, a good looking box.
Hope you enjoy the video.
Hello!
Hi folks, having a great time at the Formula party.
So good to see you!
I'm a farmyard party virgin, but it's pretty cool. Hi, Rat Queen and everybody else.
Hello.
Cheers folks from Thunder in the Glen! Wish you were here! Not really, because there's not enough space in the campsite, you wouldn't get in anyway.
Biker friends are awesome.
Hey! Hi guys, just met the Rat Queen for the first time. Been watching her YouTube for ages. Keep watching guys, this woman's amazing. Oh, thank you.
Hey, Ratqueenbikes!
So keep watching actually. Don't go anywhere. Watch this space.
What do you think of the rally so far? Fantabidozi!
How are you doing?
Cheers, folks!
Hold on tight!
YouTubers are cool.
Hi folks, roughing it in the field, man.
Yay!
Cheers.
Wish you were here folks.
What she said. Hello everybody, and I'm Dave, and I'd like to say hi to all your bikers out there.
You're on camera! Here's the wave!
I was singing more.
Give us a wave or a thumbs up.
Nice one.
Hello, stranger! Cool.
Not me again.
At the Farmyard 2018. Love my friends, love my rallies and love my beer. All the good to and the best to you all. Hey!
Oh, YouTube.
Thanks to the Rat Queen for all the videos and a great weekend.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Anything you'd like to say to everyone on YouTube before I We go?
No, thank you.
Bye.
That's all, folks. All the best to you. See you again soon. Take care and ride safe.
Anything you want to say to everyone on YouTube?
Are we on YouTube, are we?
Yeah.
I'm not saying nothing about that lawyer.
Thanks for watching, folks. Come back here. Thanks for watching.
Thanks very much, everybody.
And special thanks to everyone that's in the video.
Thank you.
Right, Ratqueen's from the north, and Johnny's from the south, but we all get together and let off our mouth. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Biker friends forever.
Bye, everybody on YouTube.
Bye.
Ride safe.
So that's it, folks. I hope you've enjoyed, and thanks for watching.
What she said. Ride safe. Bye.
Bye.
Ride safe.
I think the guitar's sick.
And special thanks to all my friends.
Cheers, my dears. Cheers, my dears.
What she said.
See you next year.
That's all, folks. Thank you. That's all, folks. Right, can I get on with the beers now?
Yes.
We have lemonade.
Ride safe. Bye.
Bye.